Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer Roblox account to another device instantly. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are on the main page of Roblox. So for example, if you want to log in on your computer from your phone, then all you have to do is once you go to roblox.com, go to login, and then from the login, you're going to see a button that says use another device. Click on that. And then from here, as you can see, we have a QR code and we have a code which we're going to use. So currently we are on the phone that we're going to switch the device from. So first of all, you're going to have to open your Roblox app and then from here go to the more section. And once you go to the more section, you're going to scroll down all the way until you see the quick sign in button. Click on it, and as you can see, now we can enter the code that we have used from the other computer. Once you enter the code, all you have to do is click on enter and then confirm login, and then please confirm that it's you. And then there we go. Now we have the account playing right on our computer, and it's right here. It took less than a second, so it's great. Check it out. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.